Okay, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be an update video on my 2013 Hunter Low Profile ceiling fan that might or might not be broken at the moment. That was a delay. So we got the light on from the light works, but ooh, I literally just almost fell off my guitar. Let's put it on number 3. As you can see, nothing's happening. This is what happens when you run a ceiling fan 24/7 non-stop. Yeah. It's a little broken at the moment. Let's see if any other speeds work. Apparently not. See the reversing switch there? As you can see, the light works on it. There we go. Just turn it off and turn it on. But yeah, here you go. I mean, I haven't cleaned it in a while. That's nothing to do with it. But I think the motor, it's either the remote module thing or the motor itself, which I think it is the motor. Because if it wasn't, because if it's not the motor, then it's something else. But watch this. Yeah, you pull it and it doesn't. The light works, but the fan itself does not. Let's turn that off for now. That's funny. There we go. Turn it off by the remote. But yeah, so where's the other one? Aha. Let me show you what ceiling fan I'm planning to get next for my room. It's between two, and it's between another one of these, just without the light kit. This is a 2013 Hunter Low Profile. I have no idea what model year this one is. This is exactly that without the light. But I don't know. Post down in the comments if I should get this or this one. This is a Westinghouse Carolina, I think that's how you pronounce it. 52-inch LED oil rubbed bronze ceiling fan, as you can see here, which is very unique. I actually really like it because I would like to see how long this thing actually lasts. This one lasts about 5 years. Not bad. I mean, not bad. I got it back in 2015, I think. And it's April of 2020. So that's about 5 years of running nonstop. But post down in the comments what you think I should get. Either another low profile without the light, or this Westinghouse rubbed bronze ceiling fan, which I really like. As you can see, there's 502 DM30. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll update you guys on this. And yeah, stay tuned. Peace out. And keep on rocking. I have no idea why I said that. It's in the case. Boy, I gotta do a video with that as well, but I also gotta do a lot of stuff. Clean out my room as well, but yeah. Focus. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys later.